The Voice of the People Party today clarified that the State Election Committee is the final authority as per the constitution of the party to decide on the allotment of party ticket for the upcoming elections to the KHDC and the JHDC. VPP spokesperson Batskem Mirbo said that every member of the party is expected to be disciplined and for every member to abide by the decisions of the State Election Committee on the allotment of the party ticket. The VPP spokesperson was reacting to the appeal made by its party MLA from North Shillong, Adalbert Nongrum, that there should be an end to favouritism in the party in the allotment of the party ticket.
In fact, I would like to state very frankly that I don't have anything personal against Adalbert Nongrum. He is an honourable MLA of our own party from North Shillong. Or in any organization, including our party, we have to accept the constitution because the constitution is made by the party members themselves. And therefore, any member who wishes to join or any person who wishes to join the party, and especially those who wish to apply for tickets, whether MBC, MLA or MP, whether at present or in the future, I would like to request them to read the constitution of the party properly before you join or before you, you offer oneself as a party candidate.
Power Minister